no six. Mom, I got no six.
Come on, Alex. Good try.
I think you're the winner.
Good try, Alex. Oh, you think about got it straight? Oh, no. Oh, close.
Sorry, Mom. Sorry, Mom. Oh, sorry, Mom.
Come on, Alex.
Come on, Alex. Hey, Mom. Hey, Max. Max.
Alex. Come on. Come on, Alex. You might get one. Yeah.
Oh, no way.
Alex might hit some now.
Whoa!
I got you.
Max. I'll get six.
Hey, actually. Okay. How fast, Samuel? Oh, what, gutter? That was bad. I got hit with a gutter ball.
He's older than me.
Come on, Sam. Oh. Not bad, Samuel. Oh, Max, you got it, dude.